Malvina, Dunai, a real estate agent with Keller Williams Realty in Puyallup. Today we have a very special guest, Mariya Sergiyenko, attorney with a private non-profit law firm called Community Legal Services. Welcome to our show, Mariya.
Thank you. Thank you for having me.
You're welcome. Can you please tell us more about your company?
Yes, sure. So, Community Legal Services is a, like you said, non-profit law firm specializing in offering legal services for clients in family law, specifically, mostly in family law, traffic law, and also property disputes. We also do take cases in some other areas, but not as often, because primarily I like to focus on family law and property disputes for certain reasons that we'll probably touch on later. But yeah, so basically it's the same law firm that everybody knows, but we have a certain focus on a sector of population that usually does not get legal services, is not able to get legal services for free, and is not able to afford regular attorney fees. So there are certain pro bono, there are a lot of pro bono programs in Washington state, like in other states, and a lot of people who are not able to afford an attorney, but they still need legal representation in their cases, they would apply for free legal services, so-called free legal services, but there is a strict criteria to meet for them to be able to get an attorney who would work for them on their case pro bono for free.
What is the best way for people to get a hold of you? Email, phone calls, what is the best way? And then what do you specialize in, like specific geographical areas, or you take clients from everywhere?
Geographically, I do mostly, well, I do King County, Pierce County, and Snohomish County. I don't go past that. I'm located in Auburn, but those are 3 counties that I focus on. It's important to know the courts. Once you start working there, to know other attorneys who practice in the same area, it's definitely beneficial for the client. So those are the 3 areas that I focus on. In terms of getting a hold of me, phone is fine. I always respond. Well, 99% I answer the phone. If I get a voicemail, I'll call back within like 15 minutes. Email is fine too, so I basically monitor.
What are your goals for the next year?
Next year, well, we're fairly new. So there are a lot of projects that I'm working on right now, actually establishing all of this model, because like I said, it's in itself it is new. There are no other non-profit law firms here in Washington. There
relate some like property disputes. What can you share something about that, like little details?
Yeah, for property disputes, I usually do neighbor disputes, for example, easements and things like that, because a lot of properties that were built way back, you know, record keeping is not that great, especially in King County. I'm sorry to say that publicly, but people would buy property and they don't really know what is in it. There are little surprises in it. For example, there's an easement on your property, and for some reason, title agency did not have a record of that. Was not. Basically, that's mainly what I deal with. Things like that. So and yeah, there's a lot of work there, and a lot of people are so scared to go to an attorney about it because, you know, everybody thinks attorneys are expensive.
And I have my last question for you. Mm-hmm. If a person asks you for your advice on how to live their life, what would you?
How to live their life?
Yes. What would you tell them?
I would tell them, don't ever listen to people who tell you how to live your life. Seriously. No,
just listen to yourself.
Listen to yourself.
Listen to your heart. There you go.
Yeah, just like the song. I mean, your mistakes are your mistakes. That's how you learn. I learned from my mistakes. Maybe it's smarter to learn from somebody else's mistakes. Well, that might be true.
Good luck to those people.
Yeah, exactly. Good luck. If you don't live through it, you don't know what it is. I think that. So that's why we all need to, you know, to learn in our own mistakes. Yeah, we need to be smart. Staying motivated, that was one of the challenges for me as well in this project, because it took so much time to figure everything out, because it's so new, you don't really have any guidance in it. And it was really hard to be motivated, especially because you have some other job to do, and this was mostly like a hustle for me. and other things and family and things like that, and you have to juggle all of it, but just stay motivated because it pays off at the end. That's what I think.
That's a
That's what I live.
very good advice. Thank you so much.
Yeah,
Thank you so much for being so open and fun. And thank you so much for your attention. This was Malvina with Keller Williams Realty. Thank you very much. Bye.